Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do a video about Bybit. So there's a trading competition, so you can win up to 7,500 US Tether, and of course there's much more prizes to be won. So if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video, and let's get started. So what is Bybit? Bybit is a trading platform for you to leverage trade. So what is leverage trading? Is basically if let's say you only have $100 worth of Bitcoin or US Tether or even other coin, you're able to deposit into the website, to the platform itself, and from there you can use up to 125 times leverage of your trading position. So basically your $100 can be transformed into basically times 100 times it, 10,000 over dollars for you to trade on the platform itself. And after that, there's much more amazing things you can do with leverage. And of course this is a high risk activity, so if you do not know what you're doing, please do not do it. And after that, if you are new to the platform itself, there's lots of like giveaways they are giving out. So on Bybit itself, you can see over here there's a $600 thingy to be won with, so you can trade with less than, basically I'm going to click on it and I'm going to show you. So if you are a new user over here, you can basically sign up under the link down below. Just sign up, and from there you are able to claim all these vouchers and basically help you with your trading. And of course we are going to talk about the competition soon. So if you want to have signed up an account on Bybit, just head over to the rewards hub. Once you have signed up, it's going to look something like this, and you just click on promotions, rewards hub, and after that over here you can see there's lots of tasks to do, so you can win up to like $600 of this thing. And after that over here you can head over to the referral program as well. So once you click on the referral program, you can refer your friends, and from there, if your friends start trading with you yourself, you are able to get all this amount that is offered up to I would say up to $500 for you to basically you just refer your friend and you will win all these exclusive like prizes, and all this money can be used to open a leverage position or help you off with your fees. So for the trading competition itself, let me show it to you. So over here there's a $7,500 in the pool price, and what is the requirements is very simple. You will need to have a Bybit account, and of course the trading pool over here. So if let's say you are an existing user on Bybit itself, you can also take part for this trading competition. So this competition is for everybody who has an account on Bybit. So if you are already an existing user, just head over to my link and just click on join now, and after that we can basically try our best to hit more people. So the more and more people that joins, the pool will become bigger and bigger, and eventually the trading competition will end on the 14th of April. So you can register now until the 14th of April, and the competition will officially start on the 15th of March. So you can get ready. Basically what you do is just sign up an account and deposit your funds in, and of course you will need to have a minimum of 0.01 Bitcoin equity. Basically, if let's say you are already trading on a platform itself, yes, you can just trade normally as you want. Let's say you have more than 0.1. Basically what you need to do is on the 15th itself, whatever trade that has been done, it will basically they won't close your position or whatsoever. Basically you can see we are gonna talk about the trading rules, so we're gonna rehearse more on the competition rules. So give me a moment. So for the trading rule itself is very simple. Registration is until the 14th of April, and after that the competition will officially start on the 15th of March until the 15th of April. So we can start trading, and after that just invite your friends and family or whoever you know that is on Bybit and they want to basically you are already trading on the platform, and this is a way for you to basically earn much more cash and prizes in Bitcoin. So over here, this is only for the Bitcoin US dollar inverse perpetual contract. What does this even mean? So over here, once you click on trade inverse, it's only for the BTC to US dollar. So you can see I have some position over here. So you need to deposit Bitcoin, and from there you will need to trade with your Bitcoin, and from there you will need to try to achieve the highest ROI for this competition. So over here we are going to talk about it. So the second, you need a minimum of 0.01 Bitcoin to be able to take part in this trading competition. So basically your equity at start of the competition will use as your initial for the P&L, for the profit and loss calculation. So let's say you have equity less than 0.01. When the competition begin, your initial equity will mark as 0.01. So basically, if let's say you have 0.008 Bitcoin, for example, and you join the competition, it is going to show your initial is 0.01, and after that you will have a negative P&L of 0.002. So to avoid that, you will need to at least maintain 0.01 Bitcoin on your account on the 15th of March, 12 a.m. UTC. So if you are already trading on it, just feel free to just trade as per normal. You can do that. Just remember that on the 15th of March, you can, basically if you have position before that, before the 15th of March, 12 a.m., I would say, I would advise you to, let's say, if you are in a negative zone, I would say like maybe you can take a stop loss or whatsoever. It is up to you, depending on you. You want to open a position and continue trading, it's also the same. It's gonna be fine. So we're gonna talk about it. So please note that if let's say you already have funds, so if you decided to like deposit additional funds or let's say withdraw your funds during the competition, yes, you can do that. There's no restriction. So however, any deposit or withdrawal or coin swaps may affect your PNL and the competition rank. So take note of this if you are going to take part in this competition. So let's say if you are using an API, you can use an API to trade on this trading competition as well. There's no like, they do not like state over here, did not state like you can't use an API to like auto trade your trading position. Definitely you can do it. But if let's say you're trading your API, let's say your coding somewhere went wrong, your trading bot went wrong, they accidentally like submitted 70 orders within a minute, or and after that cancel it, I would say that you will be automatically disqualified for the competition. Therefore, do not abuse their system just by, if you are going to do like something normal. Let's say you open up 70 active orders, and after that you click on the cancel all, and after that you have a 70, like let's say 70 active order. Once you click on cancel all, you will be automatically also disqualified for this. Therefore, please do not make the mistake. And after that, if you are only required, you can only have one account for trading, for this trading competition. If let's say you have two accounts, and after that you are join this competition itself, if the system detect that, basically you are placing order for your another account, basically you are trading against yourself, you will be disqualified from this competition as well. So we are going to talk about the prize pool. So what is the individual PNL? It's basically a final equity. The calculation is over here. I'm going to put this page down below so you can read more about it. And of course, we are not going to talk about this part over here. You can read it yourself. And after that, for the prize pool distribution, it's very simple. So number one, people who have reached at least 1 Bitcoin worth of trading volume during this competition, you will win. Basically, you will get a 30% of the pool price. If I'm not wrong, this is shared. So whoever reached one Bitcoin worth of trading volume, we will share this 30% of the pool price. And after that, the second part, 70% of the rewards will be given to people who are at this level. So the first person that is the top now, let's say you are ranking number 1, you will get a 20% of the pool price. Basically, it's a lot depending on how many users join. So if we can manage to get more and more users to join, the more basically the more rewards we will unlock, and after that the higher the pool amount. And from there, basically you are already trading. Why not just join a competition to incentivize yourself? Doesn't matter if let's say you are trading and you did not reach the top 1 or even top 10, at least you have just 1 Bitcoin worth of trading volume. I would say 1 Bitcoin of trading volume is around 46k now, and I would say it is on leverage itself. It is very simple. Why? I'm gonna show it to you. So on the latest promotion itself, the BVB, basically I'm going to show you my trading volume within the trading of this competition. So hitting 1 Bitcoin is, I would say, on a leverage trading platform, it is very simple. Why? Because you're using leverage, and after that, of course, use it at your own risk. So you can see over here, my trading volume itself has been almost $1 million worth of trading volume within like the event period. So I would say hitting 1 Bitcoin, and after that sharing this 30% of the pool price, it is very simple. Why not? And after that, you can see. So over here we will see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in order to reach at least 15,000 worth of pool price, we will need to at least invite up to 250 people. So if you have a connection network, feel free to share this video, and of course invite lots of friends to join this competition. And of course, if we only have like 25 people, we will unlock this 1,500, and eventually soon, so on and so forth. So do not need to explain so much. So for the FAQ, we are going to talk about the FAQ. So step 1, during the registration, you will need to maintain 0.01. So this is an error over here. So you will need to, if you do not have an account, sign up and deposit funds into your Bybit account and you can start trading. If not, you wait for the competition to start on the 15th of March, 12 a.m. UTC. And after that, step 2, you will need to visit this page. It's going to be linked down below. Just click on the page itself. And after that, click on join now. And after that, sign up for the competition. So where can you view your equity is on your assets page. Over here, my assets, you will see your equity. So how is it calculated? Equity equals balance plus your unrealized P&L. What is this unrealized P&L? It's very simple to understand. It's over here. So you can see I have a position over here. There's an unrealized P&L of negative $1 plus. And after that, yeah, basically this is the unrealized P&L. Basically, this over here means you did not close the trade and it is not realized. Therefore, yeah, the profit is floating. I mean, it is not realized yet. So, and the loss of individual P&L percentage. And after that, yeah, this is the calculation. So, if let's say the competition start and after that, why is your P&L in your negative? It's basically very simple. The equity initially it is 0.01, but your equity is less than 0.01 upon the start of the competition. Your equity will be calculated as 0.01. Thus, you will see a negative on your basically on your performance. And after that, now this is for example. I'm not going to read it out. So, answer the question: can you withdraw your funds during the competition? Definitely, you can withdraw. Just that your P&L might be affected, and after that, your competition ranking as well. So, yeah, I'm going to give you a tip on Bybit itself. So we're going to talk about the tips. So the tip itself, I would say that I want to give on Bybit is very simple. It's just over here. What you want to do when you post an order, I would say that if you are a new user or let's say you are an experienced user and you don't know this, I would say basically you can trade without paying a fee. Instead, you get a rebate because Bybit itself, if let's say you are doing a maker order, so how do you even do a maker order? Is very simple. Just head over to the limit, and after that you choose your leverage, and from there you enter your price and how much Bitcoin, how much your contract you want it to be. And after that, over here on the post itself, you have to click on, I would say it is recommended to click on this option over here. Just click on it, enable it, and after that you can submit an order. So it is gonna be shown over here. And once it hits the level or something like this, you will get filled. And after that, upon filling up your contract itself, you will get a rebate of 0.025%, which is, I would say, seems little. But let's say if you're gonna do like over time, you're gonna trade, and after that, eventually you're gonna open and close position. I would say using this limit order with the post only will eventually save you lots of fee. And after that, on top of that, you will be like, basically you will pay less funding. I would say for the funding itself, you can use like whatever rebate is given to you to pay for the funding fee. Yeah, if you're gonna hold a position for like more than 8 hours within like for the interval, so the funding is always counting. It's always coming at 8 hours. Therefore, I would say if you're gonna open a position after the funding, you can do it. And of course, some people they trade with cautious because of the funding. So let's say it's 0.01 now. If it stays that way, basically you're still making 0.015 worth of the rebate, and after that paying off the funding. So basically your position, for holding the position itself, you're paying nothing and you're just using the amount of Bitcoin as collateral. And after that, over here, if let's say you accidentally, I would say for the second tip itself, I would say let's say if you accidentally open a position and let's say you over leverage and you do not, let's say it is 1k and you only have $100, and let's say you do 100x, and basically the price itself, you will get liquidated very fast. So if let's say you want to change the leverage itself, I would not recommend you to like change the leverage over here because you will affect the position over here. It might be liquidated. So previously I tested it out, so I changed the leverage from 25 towards 50 times, and after that my position is at a negative zone. It straight away got liquidated, and after that my whole position is gone. Therefore, I would say do not make the same mistake, and of course do not play with this if you already adjusted the leverage position on isolate or cross. So over here I would recommend, if let's say you really love your position and after that you want to continue stacking more downwards the price, if let's say the price is falling, and of course you want to hop on to all the position before it rises, before it will have a breakout. So let's say if you do a TA and stuff like this, and basically the price, you feel that the price will keep going down, and unfortunately you already have position that is open, it is not very big, and after that, let's say it's not very big, and after that you want to stack your position downwards, and you do not want to like close the position to have unnecessary profit loss being realized. Therefore, you can, let's say your liquidation is very near the entry price. What can you do is just adjust the margin position. I mean the initial margin. Just click on adjust it. It's only for I would say desktop only, so you will need to adjust the margin. So depending on how much you have, and after that, yeah, over here, this is your initial margin. So let's say if I'm going to increase it to like 0.002, so you can see right now the price is at 4261.5. So once I click on confirm, you will see the liquidation price would decrease because you added more margin into the position itself, and after that you can see it is now at 42546, and after that you can adjust your position. Yeah, basically if you are using isolate. So if you are using cross, do not do 100 times, because if you use cross itself, this is for tip number 3. So what I would say, if you are going to do like trading on leverage platform, do not use the cross, because once you use the cross, you are using your whole available balance on as collateral. So if you are going to stack your position downwards, basically the more funds you use from your available balance into your position, basically the liquidation price will, it will seems like it's going down, but the gap between the liquidation price and the entry price will get smaller and smaller and getting thinner and thinner, and eventually you will get liquidated. Because if you are using cross itself, I would say cross is not an ideal option on leverage trade, because now basically you're using your whole wallet as collateral, and after that, if let's say the price of Bitcoin suddenly dip like 10 to 20%, you are definitely going to get liquidated if you are using like more than 5 times, or I would say even 3 times. So the recommended margin trade is for beginners, I would say, is from 1 to 3 times, depending on your experience, and after that how confident you are with your trade. So if you are much more experienced, you can do like maybe 5 to 10 times, but more than 10 times it is not recommended. So yeah, for the tip number 3 is tip number 4. So I would say this option over here, you can see on Bybit on the web itself, you can basically flip your position. So let's say I have already made like, if the price of Bitcoin went up all the way towards this level, and after that looking at the TA and stuff like this, I know it's going down again, I can just simply have a flip on this position. Just click on this, it is going to execute a market order, and of course you're going to pay the fees. Just click on the flip itself, my long position will be readjusted onto this level. Example, if the price went up to this level, once I click on it, it is going to flip, and after that, from being long, it will go to a short position, and the quantity is going to stay the same. So this is only available if you have enough margin to reverse the trade. If let's say you do not have enough margin to do this, once you click on this option itself, it is basically going to, basically I'm just going to show it to you. So once I click on this option, you can see it immediately flip, and after that it went to short, and after that you can see the entry price and liquidation price and everything changes, something like that. So use this at your own risk. Do not keep clicking it even though like you are making like little gains, because if you are like making little gains, you must remember you are paying a fee. So I do not want to like lose so much money, so I want to head back to my initial position. So what do I do? Just click on this again, and basically I lose some money, but it is okay. It's just for demonstration purposes. So went back to my, not really my original, but instead a higher level entry. So this is an example for you. What is this arrow for you? Let's say if you are using Bybit and you do not know what is this option, so I would say this option is very handy. So if let's say you are scalping, and after that there's like a price action, you have already entered into a long position, for example, or even a short position, and everything went up or down on your favor, just click on it. And let's say you want to take profit and switch sides, just click on it, and eventually it will go up. And of course, I would recommend you to, of course, have your stop loss and trailing stop loss if you are using it. And of course, happy trading. And of course, I would say, do not like the tips that I've already said. If you can, avoid cross. If you can, use isolate. And of course, if you can, use a limit order with the post only, and after that you will get a rebate of 0.025. And basically that's the end of the video, and I hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends and family, and of course join the competition if you have the ability to do so. And of course, hopefully we can unlock more like prize pool, and of course share with the community. And yeah, basically see you on the next video. Peace.